How to scan your homework to a PDF file using Microsoft Office Lens. First, make sure your assignments are organized and labeled clearly. You will need a flat surface in a brightly lit space. You will get the sharpest images with bright lighting. To begin the scanning process, double-check that your assignments are clearly labeled and then place the first paper on the flat surface in front of the camera. Make sure that all four corners of your paper are visible on the screen. Also, make sure there are no shadows on your paper. If there are, reposition the camera or the paper to remove them. When you're happy with the image, tap the shutter button. You'll see an image of your PDF. Double-check that it's in focus and without shadows. To image the back side of the paper, tap Add New and then turn the paper over. As before, make sure the entire paper is visible and then tap the shutter button. When you've checked this image, tap Add New. Repeat this process for every paper you are scanning. When you're finished with the last paper, tap Done. Then tap PDF. Then tap Phone Storage. Click on the PDF thumbnail to view it. From this screen, you can send your PDF to another app, such as email. On iOS devices, push this button to access that feature. Note, Microsoft Office Lens has different scanning modes which can be selected by swiping beneath the shutter button. The whiteboard mode used in this example works well for white paper, but in general the document mode is preferred for assignments.